For our first step in the interface demonstration, we are going to show you how to search for flights from one airport to another. The first search is going to be from JFK to LAX. There are 540 flight results in a given time frame. In this instance, the time frame is our entire database. Our website also displays the average duration of a flight underneath the number of flights. The table of information is extensive. So let's refine our search to January 1st, 2016. Now the number of flights is 18. That encompasses a one-day time frame, but any amount of days selection is available as long as we have data for it. Instead of having to look through 540 searches, the user only has to look through 18, making it much easier to look for the desired information. To demonstrate the constraint functionality, let's increase our search to 3 days. As you can see, there are more flights available in this time frame. Now we can refine our searches using weather, which is a common problem for air travel. Here are the results of a search using temperature. We had to create temperature data synthetically due to the difficulty of uploading the data, which we will discuss after the recording. Another feature we have included is the ability to pull information on an airport. After taking data from the FAA, we have data on the location, number of flights, average wind and temperature, top destinations, and top arrivals. This is very useful for looking up popular flights so a user can select a common route in case an airport has variable weather conditions or to get a cheaper deal on airfare. As the first demonstration of the database, we are going to do a query for weather data on the ZDH airport. Once we run the query, you can see that the information is present in our database. This is the same information shown in our application, proving the information in both the database and interface is consistent. For another demonstration of the database, we will query the same search we did in the application for the LAX airport. Here is the data we have for this location, which as you can see is the same as we had in the application. Hypothetically, once you have booked a flight, you can view information on the flight, plane, and travel times. The data we currently have is all from previous flights. However, if this app were to be fully developed, access to full information from the FAA would allow us to provide future data. One of the best uses for this application would be for telling if a flight is delayed without having to log into an account with a travel agency. This is just one example of a user story. We also have some brief information of the model of planes. A lot of the useful information is not available to the public, as mentioned before. If we had the resources, we could provide more information to our users.